Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today as I share my recipe for these sweet oats carrot mini cakes or muffins. It's another healthy treat for Easter and beyond, so let's get started with this simple recipe. We are going to be using some oats flour, grated carrots, apple puree or sauce, some honey, coconut oil, some salt, cinnamon, baking powder, an egg, and vanilla extract. I'll start by mixing up all my dry ingredients and then set it aside. If you're new here, you're so welcome to this family. Please don't forget to subscribe and join this blooming family. Into a separate bowl, I'll crack my egg and add my vanilla extract or essence. Now my honey would also go in. You can use maple syrup in place of honey in this recipe. Now I'll mix everything up together. By the way, if you've always been part of this blooming family, God bless you for always coming back. Now I'm adding my applesauce or apple puree and then my coconut oil, and then mix everything up together. Now I'll go ahead and add that mixture to my dry ingredients and mix everything up very well. Please do not overmix. Now I'll go ahead and add my grated carrots. Of course, you can make it finer than I have made mine, and then I'll go ahead and mix properly. Now I'll go ahead and fill my lined muffin or cupcake trays. You can also oil and then use them. And then I'll be baking these for about 25 minutes on medium heat. And our treat is ready. I hope you try this very simple recipe for your bloomers this Easter and beyond. I am so grateful you joined me. I hope to see you again next time as I bring you another nutritiously yummy homemade food. Until then, keep blooming.